I gotta get away from this place. I gotta go to a space where my heart can race. Gotta find me a brand new pace. I'm gonna leave this place without a trace. I gotta go, 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 go. Oh, no. Let's take a ride. Let's take a ride. Oh me, oh my, what a night tonight. Alright. Oh my, who ever planned to motor west? Yeah, travel my way, take the highway. That's the best. That's the best. Get your kids, yeah, on Route 66. 66 runs far. It winds from Chicago to LA. LA, more than 2,000 miles away. Oh yeah, get your kids on Route 66. But why not just take the A train to go Sugar Hill in Harlem? And if you just miss the A train, then you way to Harlem. But you can go through St. Louis, shop in Missouri, and Oklahoma City looks mighty pretty, and you'll see Amarillo, Gallup, New Mexico, and Flagstaff, Arizona. Don't forget Winona, Kingman, Barcelona.